Megan.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Hey Brandon, you know me, so it's easy.
So your application scored in the top 5 of all applicants, and you're going to receive a provisional grant.
I just wanted to say congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
You are one of our top 4 applicants this round. We had over 130 applications.
How happy I am. I'm just so ecstatic. Thank you so much.
The ancestors working overtime.
You got the grant.
I want to run around.
We are so very proud and honored to be a part of this journey with you.
And you've been awarded a provisional grant.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes,
You're
welcome.
I really appreciate this so much. Y'all just don't know. Like this whole process, just everything from start to finish.
How much was it?
$10,000.
And we're coming over for a barbecue.